Well, for me, I see that speaking my thoughts instead of writing them down as a more effective way. So, just like how journaling helps people revisit and understand their thoughts, this channel is my space where I do the same but with audio. Here, I speak my thoughts aloud instead of writing them down, and this is my way of reflecting it. And the only reason that I thought sharing this idea with all of you and building a community would be a great idea was because I just hope that some of you might resonate with it too. And I want to share it with you all, hoping to find others who might find the same, like building a community, for example. It is simply that if this resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Let's create a space where we can reflect and grow together. Now, that said, coming to the closing, in my next video, I shall share my first journal entry. I'm quite not sure what that is gonna be. You could let me know in the comments what it could be, but I do have some ideas stacked up and I may pick one from it and make my next video. But until then, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.